crypto didn't just flash green today, okay? It followed through. Crypto Hop coming at you guys. I had to come back into Studio A and show this because reposted the 24-hour candle that I follow, reposted, and I've got to show you some things that are going on. Let's break it down. We're going to take a little deeper dive. Now, earlier today, I was at an Airbnb. It was a beautiful thing. I did a video. It was a little bit scrappy. I was using my phone, and it wasn't as clear and clean, and I wasn't sure. Got back to the stew, and I saw some things that I just had to share with you. So let's take a look at it. Now, speaking of that, so there's four things here. Bitcoin is holding its gains that we saw earlier today. Ethereum's confirming. And the thing about it, XRP Army, it's confirming what the big boys is. It didn't do this last cycle. It did not stay on track with the big crypto cycle top as it did last time. Now, with the biggest market cap cryptocurrency coins moving in unison, this isn't just some kind of noise. This is something that we have to pay attention to. Now, it's not a fake move. This is a real one that we're going to start taking a deep breath and calming down. Now, here's what's going on. Liquidity is improving, everybody. These shorts are getting squeezed earlier. We can see this on chain. Confidence is replacing fear. And institutions are already positioned. They are continuing to accumulate at a little faster pace, I think. I do have to confirm that. But talking about that fear and greed, look at this. I'll just show you that right now. Fear and greed index, 49? Has anybody seen it at 49 in a while? I mean, it's been a long time since the fear and greed index has been 49. If you look at this little chart right here, boing, it bounced off these lows. What'd that get down to? That was, it was 10. It got down to 10, I believe. So we're in this 49, which is a neutral zone. Okay, we like neutral. We like comfortable when we're talking about market conditions in different areas. I said it already. Institutions are buying quietly. XRP is still moving despite no clarity. Look, XRP Army, hey, I applaud you guys. I applaud you for hanging in there through all these lawsuits, and this stuff is insane, dude. It's crazy. We're seeing the government sue Ripple because they don't understand how to regulate it. I mean, that's all it is. So there is still no positive clarity yet. Okay? XRP is not deemed a commodity, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a security either. There's gray areas still, but what I think we're seeing right now, we are seeing institutions continue to accumulate XRP. The price is going to be built in before retail investors get clarity. January 15th or so, that Clarity Act is coming in. I think the prices are going to be built in as of that date. So just think about that piece of the equation. Might not be a bad thing to pull a little bit of profits, a percentage of what you put in. That's what savvy investors do. Okay, now, let's look at these charts right quick. Here's the Bitcoin chart. Boom. Oh, look at that little, okay, that is a little bit of a red candle. Scooch over. Oh, I got my writing up here. Let's go here. Boom, boom. Oh, this candle was green. Before I started this video, that candle right there was green. It just turned red. But guess what? Here's the level that right here, this white line, this 92,000-ish. That's that line that we crossed. We blew through it. There was resistance. We got to stay above that. That's our testing area. But even a bigger story, ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you. So right back here, when this yellow line is kind of hidden under this candle back on January 1st, it crossed the 20-day moving average, okay, right around here. was a big deal. And the fact that that candle confirmed above it, and it also crossed my downward trend line, it posted above that as well. Then look at what happened. Boom, up, up. Now, here's the big story that I want to explain. We just saw, this is today, before 4 p.m. This is actually today right here. The 5-day EMA just crossed the 100. I mean, that you can't ask for any more than that. You cannot ask for more than that as far as a positive run up. And then the candle took off. Look, right as that happened, it took off. It tested that 92,000 something and just boom, and it went. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. This posted at 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific Coast time, and that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, next chart. Ethereum, gosh, it did the same thing. This was today. I just have to point this out, people. I cannot believe this is right here. See that yellow? Cross the 100 EMA right there earlier in the day, and a candle took off. Same thing. This was a bigger green candle before I started this video, and it went red. It's okay. That's okay. We're going to see what happens when we wake up tomorrow morning. See where we're at and just play it one day at a time here. Okay? I mean, Ethereum's looking great. And then, hey, the XRP army. The XRP army. You guys are just, I already have my circle right there. Is where the same story on these technicals cross that 100-day moving average, and like boom. I'm measuring this one, dude. This past week, right, that's the bottom that we saw up to right there. 33% gain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in about this past week. Okay, we opened up on Monday and just took off, baby. Woo! Let's go. 33%. Come on now. I don't care where you got in on XRP, even if you bought near the top around 3 to 350. You like to see a 33% gain. There's no doubt about that. Okay, now what do we need to watch for next, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, don't forget Solana. Here's the Solana chart right here. I actually like subtle moves like this that are a little more compact and that just keeps ticking up. So this is perfect technicals. So Solana is the next market cap down right below XRP, and guess what's happening here? This 5-day EMA is approaching the 100, the light green one, but it hasn't crossed yet. What's that tell you? We're seeing a little bit of money flow. We're going to watch the Bitcoin dominance here really closely moving forward, okay? Remember, when that dominance percentage comes down on Bitcoin, we should see that altcoin season pump. That is historically what has happened, okay? Interesting stuff right here, people. So, okay, coming back here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 things that we have to watch for next. Number 1, volume. Keep your eye on volume, ladies and gentlemen, as far as the money coming in. Number 2, that Bitcoin holds its structure that I was just showing you, and it stays above that 92,000. It's going to retest and create a support level now, and then I think it's going to explode up towards 100,000. That's just my personal opinion. This is not financial advice. Okay. Number 3, XRP staying in sync with the rest of the big boys. It's a really good, really positive news right there. Number 4, whether this becomes a rotation or a consolidation, okay, we got to see, and we'll know on the price action, okay, as far as how that comes up here. So that's all I want to share with you guys today. Just to look a little cleaner right here. This move doesn't guarantee anything, by the way. It does deserve attention and our focus on the days moving ahead. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share. If that helped you out at all, if this message give me a thumbs up if you would. I appreciate your time checking my videos. Most importantly, if you share this video, I'd really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Give me that subscribe. Crypto Hop checking in with you guys. I'm just going to keep doing it. I love doing this stuff. I'm going to be checking in daily. If I see something new, I'll let you know. We're moving up. All right, peace out. Enjoy the rest of your evening, everybody. Peace out. Peace out.